conditioning system does not always need to be replaced. We are going to be an honest company. We're going to come out and tell you what's wrong with your system. We're going to give you an estimate and tell you what it's going to take to fix it prior to us doing any work. Changing out the system isn't expensive and a big decision for everybody. Now, of course, if you want a new system, you're going to call Star Air because we want to be the best and we want to have the relationship with you and make sure that you're taken care of properly. But not all air conditioning systems need to be replaced. We can still get parts, we can still change out things, and we can still hold your system together maybe until you save a little money or you work on your credit to where we can get you into these best finance programs we have.